Welcome Plano Elementary School to the 2022-2023 school year. My name is Ben Frazier and I am proud to serve as the principal of this incredible school. Last year, we took off for accelerated learning, but this year we are going to level up our learning. Our mission is to reach each child each day, so by leveling up, we are going to meet that mission. We have three areas in which we're going to level up: academics, behavior, and attendance. So here's our goals. In math, we want to see 70% of our students reach typical or aggressive growth on the FastBridge math exam. In reading, we want to see 75% of our students reach typical or aggressive growth on the FastBridge reading exam. School-wide, we want to average less than one negative office referral per day. We almost met that goal last year, but we can do it this year. In attendance, we want to see us reach an attendance percentage of 96.5% for the year. Last year, we were close to it at just over 95, but this year we can make that 96.5%. I know it's going to be a great year, and an important part of having a successful school year is great communication between school and home. So I want to let you know some ways that we will stay in contact with you. As principal, you will receive an email or a text from me every Friday afternoon with a link to the latest Panther Principal page. Now, the Panther Principal page is like your one-stop shop for all important information regarding Plano Elementary. You'll find important news there, updates, and there are also some important links for you. You'll find a link to our site-based hub where you can read up on the latest happenings in our site-based council. And also, there's a link for you to schedule a parent-teacher conference. We are always welcome to scheduling a parent-teacher conference at any point in the year. Just simply click on that link, find your child's teacher name, and then we will schedule that conference with you. To get into contact with me, simply shoot me an email at ben.frazier@warren.kyschools.us. During the school day, I'm often busy visiting classrooms and engaging with our teachers and students. Well, here comes Miss Parsons. This is our new Dean of Students. We're very excited to have you on board this year. She has been a special ed teacher here at Plano for several years, but Ms. Parsons, you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Beth Parsons. I am the new Dean of Students here at Plano. I'm in charge of student discipline and safety. Communication is huge with me, so if you ever need to get in contact with me, my email address is laura.parsons@warrenkyschools.us, and then you can always reach me here at school, 467-0411.
Well, I'm excited to have you as part of our team this year, but I'm a little busy right now. I'm making a video, so is there something I can help you with?
Yeah, I'm going around just taking pictures for our school website. Can I get one of you really quick?
Okay, well, let's just make it fast because I got some stuff to do here.
Okay. What happened?
What happened? What did you do to me?
I don't know. I was just trying to take a picture.
Fix me.
I don't know how to do that.
Parsons, school is going to start very soon, and I can't be a mini principal when our families arrive.
So what you're saying is you need to level up?
I see what you're doing, and it's not funny.
I'm just trying to be positive here.
Go find our technology coordinator, Ashley Vincent, and fix me now!
Okay, I'm on it.
Parsons, hurry! I needed to lose weight, but not this much.
This is Amber Beal, our new attendance clerk. Amber, have you seen Ashley Vincent?
I did. I saw her not too long ago. She went down the hallway.
Okay, I'm gonna go find her.
Awesome. Good luck. Attendance is very important here at Plano. We want every child to level up. Our doors open at 8 a.m. each morning, and our tardy bell rings at 8:30. If for some reason your child comes after the tardy bell at 8:30, we will need a parent or guardian to come into the office and sign them in here. We need a note from a doctor or parent to excuse any absence. The note must be submitted within 5 school days of the absence, and parents are allowed to write up to 7 notes to excuse absences or tardies. Notes can be delivered here in the office, or you can fax them to our phone number, which is 270-467-0526, or if email is easier, you can email me at amber.beal@warren.kyschools.us. Hey, Mrs. Lawyer, can you tell them about transportation notes?
Sure, Amber. My name is Jenny Lawyer. I'm the new bookkeeper here at Plano Elementary. If your child's mode of transportation changes, please email plano.transportation@warren.kyschools.us before 2 p.m. You will receive an email confirmation once it has been processed. I look forward to serving you this year.
Let's chat about car rider arrival and dismissal while Miss Parsons tries to fix my predicament. Every day we welcome over 650 students to our campus. Please remember that our process prioritizes safety above all else. During afternoon dismissal, all vehicles must display the Plano car tag to ensure you are authorized to pick up your student. Please do not block the exit from the bus loop and yield to any outgoing buses. When you arrive at the stop sign, follow the signal from a staff member if present. Do not turn right, as this goes against the flow of traffic. When it is your turn, pull forward and feel free to use the left 2 lanes. You may use the far right lane if you need access to the parking lot. At the marked location, both lanes of traffic will merge to one lane Chick-fil-A style. Just take turns and share a friendly smile with neighboring cars. Staff members will be positioned in the loading and unloading zones in the morning and afternoon. Please wait until a staff member opens the door before unloading your student in the morning. During arrival and dismissal, there is no passing in the loading and unloading zone.
Mrs. Vincent, I've been looking everywhere for you.
Well, I was shelving books when I thought I heard a tiny crying Mr. Frazier.
I wasn't crying, I was, singing.
Do you have any idea how we can level him up?
Well, I have one idea.
What is it?
This is an old overhead projector. It's what teachers used before there were cell phones.
How does it work?
Well, Frazier, close your eyes. Once I press this button, it's going to get really bright, and then Mr. Frazier should level up. Here we go.
AV, you did it! I'm leveled up! Now I'm ready to welcome back our Panthers as our school levels up.